Hey everyone, Victor here, just coming at you with some updates that came out from Mapbox a couple weeks ago now. There was this Build with Mapbox event that they had, which was basically like some speakers and some announcements. There was a fair bit of kind of cool stuff, but I wanted to touch on a few things that I thought were particularly cool or are kind of important for developers of Mapbox. So let's jump in. We have Chris Wong, who is our new developer relations person at Mapbox, who is kind of trying to really fire up the whole developer relations world. So I've had a little chat with Chris, really nice person. We'll probably have an interview with him at some point up on the channel. And there's some cool new stuff that's come out that Chris has been working on. Just to kind of roll over a few things, Chris has put together this cheat sheet, which is kind of fun. There's not everything on here, but this is a fair bit of some cool resources. One way to access some Mapbox resources. There's actually a lot here. I find it a little confusing, but maybe you'll like it. All these links, by the way, will be in the description of the video. Some stuff I like, they've updated the styles, which is really fun. So on the left, we have our old light style, and on the right is the new one. So you can see there's some changes. We don't have dots on the cities and stuff like that. My favorite one here is the redesign of the outdoors. It's really got a lot more texture and color to it, which I quite like. It's quite a different style. It almost feels a bit more like OpenStreetMaps. Maybe these red lines, I'm not sure if I love them compared to the other one. And streets also just has a bit more color, a bit more green, which I do like. I think this kind of, it looks not bad. I mean, people might have their tastes one way or the other, but you should know that these do look different. These defaults are looking different. Mapbox is also putting out some new tutorials. They're building more and more of these, so maybe this channel will be obsolete at some point since they're making so many resources, which is great. I'm glad they're making good resources for people to learn a lot more, so check out these tutorials. Chris has also been building some pretty cool lists of stuff. That's one thing that he said he works on a lot, are these kind of awesome lists. So in this case, there's just lots of, this is kind of, if you're becoming a Mapbox developer or if you are one, something to just kind of look through, I don't know, and like, take 15 minutes out of your day and look through and see if there's something new here or something you were working on or something that could make your life easier. There's a lot of stuff in here that I've never seen, like for instance, this dropchop.io looks like a cool thing to help you kind of figure out how to do analysis on your data. I'm going to have to check out a lot of these and see if I want to do some videos on some of them. So these are great. These awesome lists are quite fun. I would definitely recommend them. And of course, there's also a Discord, which I'll put the link in the description. So Mapbox is opening up a Discord for any developers. So for some of the people that come to my channel here and want to learn more about Mapbox or coding with Mapbox and have little questions, a really good place to go if you were thinking about messaging me or commenting. I mean, I'd still love it if you comment, but a great place to get help might be this Mapbox Devs Discord. And one other thing, which I think is actually really cool because I have a lot of styles in my account, and they're making folders, which is just fantastic because that's actually an issue that I've had in the past is not, I have all these styles. I have many pages of styles, and it's kind of hard to see what's where. So having folders is really great. So I haven't actually done this yet. So let's see how this works. If we create a new folder here, we have to place styles in it. So how do we actually place a style in it? I think maybe we select. So if I want to make one for all the satellite maps that I have, can I put them in the folder there? Great. And now can I rename this? Okay, space stuff. Okay, awesome. And then in there we have our styles. That's really nice. I think that's a very small change, but super nice. So yeah, this has just been a quick video just to update on some of the things that came out with Build with Mapbox. Get in touch with Chris if you want to learn more and pop in the Discord. We'll see you there.